And I actually have mic this time. I actually have audio this time, so not like fire department audio, but sips coffee. Nothing like a morning can of Coca-Cola before we get the day started. Alright, so we're gonna plant. Hold on, let's like fast forward time to May real quick. So then we can have one guy planting and another guy, so, yeah, we'll have, okay, that happened. I don't think that's the first time I've ever hit my truck. Sorry, Wyatt, I hit your truck, bud. So, we're gonna back up to the plow. I'm gonna have February, March. Actually, we'll wait till April. No, we'll get March. We'll have the plow start, and then we'll have the planter start on corn. So, actually, let's go ahead and get him over to the field, because March will come quick. So, yeah, we're gonna have him. We're not having him start until March because spring tillage. We already did last year, so it's 2025 now, folks. No, it's still 2024. No, it's 2025 because last year was. So we'll get him out into the field. We're not going to unfold him until we're ready to start the planting. So I'll have Wyatt and Jackson running planting and tillage while I run in and get other stuff figured out. Alright, it's March. Let's go, 0.5. Fire Jackson up, get him running on planting. And then fire Wyatt up, get him running on tillage. We get Wyatt running tillage. Jackson running planting, so it'll be a fun time. And now I gotta run into town real quick. So we gotta go to town real quick. I gotta go talk to the bank. It's early in the morning on March 1st, 2025. So there's Wyatt going. Zoom, zoom, Wyatt. And we currently have $18,000. So with 18 grand. Yeah. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Honestly, okay, at least he made it back to the road okay without any issue. And he actually didn't hit anything, which is actually kind of surprising with the way I drive. So, once we get into town, we'll head to the real estate office. So, yeah. Yep. Just past it, I think. Let me do a better job of parking. Let me actually get in between. Hey, I actually parked. So we're here at the real estate, I think. What the? Hold on. Where do you go for real estate? Hang on, guys. I'm trying to find where you go to get. I guess it's over here. No, apparently not. But there is somebody's house that I'm not gonna step foot on their property because I'll probably get, yeah. But it's kind of a good thing I came into town anyway. I do need to do something in town, but probably not here. Oh, I gotta go to the gas station and buy a couple things. Yeah, the gas station's literally right here. So I'm not gonna go fast at all. We're going to the bedroom. So, okay, I can pick up a little bit of speed. I don't even know why. I'm only going 6 miles an hour. Well, park right here because I'm not gonna. I need to just run in here real quick.
Where's Jane at?
Somewhere. Thank you. So we got that. What the? I ran into the gas pump. Well, back to the farm. I'll check on Wyatt and Jackson, see how they're doing. See if Wyatt freaking crashed the tractor again. Oh, whoa. Okay, he's doing good actually. And so is Jackson, but I don't know why I tabbed out of the truck when I didn't need to. Yeah, now we're just gonna drive. Whoop! Jump the curb, will ya? Oh my gosh, that is. The guy really does not know how to freaking drive, apparently. I don't think anyone does. I don't even think the AI in this game drives very well when it comes to running into buildings. They do that a lot. It's gonna be a little bit before I'm done talking. Okay, he didn't take out the stop sign that time, which is actually good. So we picked up a bunch of oil canisters. I'm surprised the gas station even had what we... Hey, Wyatt, you on the CV there? Yeah, I got everything except for the freaking... the parts. I went to the gas station not thinking. We'll just get them next episode. And we'll do an episode for maintenance on all our equipment once the tillage is done and we're already back to the farm. So, alright, I'm back. I'm gonna get this parked up and then we'll tab over to Wyatt. So there's that. So there, hey, he's done. So no, he's not. He's still got a little bit to pick up. Yeah, but I'm gonna. Well, he took care of his own issue, which is actually good. So yeah, once. Here, I'll go first person. Let you go. You'll ride with him. Now we'll go back to third because it's third person. Seems a little bit more reasonable. Well, yeah. 'Cause, yeah, 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 double back real quick and go get what we missed, which is over here. Sorry to say this, Wyatt, you can't do it right. Well, you can, but you missed a good chunk of land. I'll just run like right along the road anyway, because there is some stuff over here that you also missed. Yeah, you missed a good amount of the crop. Boom, then again. I can't blame you for that, so okay, that side's already good. Now he's got to hit what's back here. We'll hit the long strip first, and then we'll come back and hit the short strip. So, yeah. Bam. There's just a little bit of strip over here on this side, and then this field is officially done. We can put the plow away for the season. And hey, we have it all. This guy's done before early, but he got done before early March, which is actually surprising when it comes to tillage, because you got to work the soil. So, wait, is there anything over here on the one side that he missed? Yes, there is. Like an entire strip. No, more or less, just like the small headland road. No, it's kind of a good thing I'm just riding the road, because there is stuff over here that needs to be picked up. So, yeah. Alright, I think that's it. We're done. Done with cultivation. So now we're gonna go put this in. Do I want to try and put it in with the, oh, heck, yeah, we will. We'll make this the, equipment shed. Hold on, let me get over a little bit. I want to be like, right there is fine. Don't hit. Let's see, will it still hook up to it? How about if I angle myself back? You just keep pushing it forward. Yeah, you gotta stop moving it, and then, oh my god, yeah, you, hold on, let's just, yeah, I knew that'd be a bad idea. Hold on, guys, we gotta do a little moving. Toe. And then toe. So we had to tow a couple things. And now we're gonna take the tractor down to go pick those things up. From the dealership, because we had to tow them. Why is it not? So, yeah, we'll send Wyatt to go do that. Who's Jackson coming along? Well, hey, Jackson might actually almost be done. Yeah, we'll have to. So boom, train, plowing and planting is done. Now we can put the plow and planter in the shed. Yep. And then we still have a trailer full of hay that we need to use. Well, yeah, I'm trying to conserve as much space as I can. Well, because I don't know where I don't know where I'm gonna put the plow at yet, or the I don't know where I'm gonna put the forage harvester yet. So, but I do know that we're here on the starter. What the? Well, alright, so we get the plow, the planter detached. Now we're here at the shop, or the dealership, to pick up the, so now that everything's done, now I just want to get this back to the farm, and then that'll be the end of episode 2 of our cattle series. Okay, he's right here, so all I gotta do is just back up, hook up to the, one thing, and then hook up to the, harvester. Wait a minute, hold on. We're not done planting. We still have another field to plant. We can do that in episode 3. Doing the, planting in episode 3 ain't gonna hurt us. We'll just drive this one back, because I know where I'm going, so we'll just drive back to the farm. With the 12:06. So, comment down below what you guys think of the 80s series so far. If you, I'll try and get links to my other videos if you haven't seen them. But overall, I've got my videos set to a certain playlist. So yeah, we are just gonna. I'm just gonna park this. These two things ain't gonna fit in the shed unless I do them individually. So, hey, I can't drink Coke and drive at the same time. Dang it. Yeah, you can't drink and drive at the same, not like drunk drink, but like drink Coke and drive a tractor. I mean, you can if you're not me. So we're just gonna park the harvester, the forage harvester. So there's the field we just planted. I want to try and buy this. I want to try and buy this field across the road, but it ain't gonna happen, so we're just gonna park you. Man, I think you can fit in here easily. Yeah, I can't tell if it's all the way in. Yes, it is.
Okay.
Alright. She gave us mystery donuts. I didn't pick them out. She just plopped them in there.
For
everything.
okay.
I called it in. Alright, so Falcon, here.
He's
Alright, so here is